Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete reminder on Macbook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Do you have too many complete reminders that are no longer useful? In this video, I will show you how to delete all the completed reminder at once on your MacBook. After you complete a reminder, there isn't much use in having that entry saved in the reminder app. So now we can just open a reminder. I don't have any reminder in here, so I will just create one, I think, and we'll try to remove it. Okay. I will add date. So here's the reminder you have created, but now you want to delete it, you want to remove it. So very simple. So you can just click on here on the circle and the reminder will be removed, disappear from here. And if you want to see it again, you can just tap on show. And if you want to clear it, you can just click right on the reminder and you'll find there is an option delete. You can just tap on that, so it will be permanently removed from your reminder on your MacBook. It's very simple, right? So that is how to remove, how to delete reminder on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.